Now that we can create basic walls, I want to show you how to modify them. The way to do that is you go up along the ribbon till you find the Modify tab. The Modify tab is going to have all the commands you need for working with walls and lines. So let's get into this and work through some of these commands. I'm going to use the shortcut for walls, WA, or you can go to the ribbon and click on Wall over there. But it's good that you learn the shortcut WA. Now I'm going to draw a series of walls. I'm drawing a wall, I'm clicking and I'm hitting Escape. I'm going to draw 4 walls. Escape. Escape. Now I want to align these walls together, so I'm going to click on the Align command and I'm going to select the first one. And I'm going to select the second one. And you can see that those two align with each other. If I click the third one and the fourth one, you can see that the align process started again. So what happens is the align process will only work once and then it will reset itself, unless you choose the multiple alignment selection. I'm going to click Ctrl-Z to undo, AL for align, and now I'm going to use multiple alignment. To remember the order in which to align objects, remember that the master calls the slave, so the master always stands still and the slave runs towards the master. So master calls the slave, and now that's a slave as well, and that's a slave as well. So we've now got 4 all aligned to the first one. I can hit Escape, Escape, and that command is done.